Last part na tayo on how to create a payroll template from scratch. And if this is your first time watching this video, make sure panoorin nyo yung part 1 to part 6 para guided ka. And for today's video, what we will do is to compute yung net pay and gagawa na rin tayo ng payslip. To get the net pay, ang una muna nating i-calculate is yung taxable income. And from our last video, meron na tayong formula for the net pay. Ito yon, yung Q6 minus sum nung S6 to U6. So, Q6 is yung gross pay and then yung sum ng mga deduction. Actually, dapat kasama rin yung tardy. So, correct natin yan. So, R6 to U6. Okay. Equals Q6, yung gross pay, minus dun sa tardy, tsaka yung government mandated contributions. Enter. So, ito yung taxable income natin and then ima-minus lang natin yung tax. And that's your net pay. Copy ko lang yung formatting. And there you go. Next is gagawa naman tayo ng payslip. And I already created a tab here and added yung mga details na gusto kong makita sa payslip. Yung company logo, company address, employee name, position kung merong available doon sa directory, employee number, pay period, and of course yung details ng pay. So once na add nyo na yung mga details na gusto nyo makita sa payslip, select nyo lang yung area. Tapos under page layout, print area, and then click set print area. So this is to make sure na itong area lang na to, yung highlighted natin na area, yung mapiprint. If you check, pag nag-control P ako, ayun lang, ayun yung lalabas. Kahit na mag-add pa ako ng ibang details, let's say dito, mag-add ako ng text dito. Kapag nag-print ako, hindi yon makikita. Kasi nga, yung print area ko is ito lang, yung nasa loob lang ng payslip. And ang una natin gagawin is to create a drop-down para dun sa employee number. Click mo lang yung cell after the employee number and then go to the data tab and then click data validation or select data validation. Under validation criteria, yung allow natin is a list. And then yung source ng list natin is yung user ID na column sa table 1. Click OK. Ngayon, kapag kinlik natin yung drop-down, yan. So, yung mga employee ID or user ID, yung lalabas lang na selection. As an example, pili muna tayo ng isang employee. And then, yung employee name, ilulookup lang natin siya nun sa directory. So, equals x lookup. Lookup natin yung employee ID sa directory. And ang return natin is yung first name and yung last name. Match mode is 0. Enter. If you check, nag-spill siya kasi dalawa yung result na lalabas yung first and last name. So, kailangan natin pagdugtungin using text join. Ang delimiter natin is comma space and ignore empty spaces or empty cells. Close and enter. There. Now, position, wala namang position dito. So, pwede nating palitan ng hourly rate. And then, copy lang natin yung formula na to. Yung X lookup. And, ang i-return natin na value is table 1, hourly rate. There you go. And then, change lang natin yung format to currency. Now, yung pay period naman is kukunin lang natin siya dito sa payroll summary equals yung B1. Pero palitan natin yung format. Text. Ang gusto nating format is yung month lang. 3-letter month. And then day. And gusto natin magkaroon ng space tsaka dash in between. And kunin naman natin yung end ng pay period, which is nasa C1. Enter. Mali, B pala, sorry. So, B1 and B2. And so, January 1 to January 15. Dito kung gusto nyong lagyan ng year, kasi yan na yung nasa dulo, pwede rin. And now, fill up naman natin yung earnings nila. Yung basic pay, XLOOKUP lang tayo, XLOOKUP, yung employee ID. Saan natin siya hanapin? Dito sa payroll summary kasi nandito yung details ng pay nila. So ito yung employee ID na column. Ang i-return natin is yung gross pay. Match mode is 0. Enter. And then pwede kayong maglagay dito ng additional pay. If taxable yung income, dito nyo siya isasama. Next naman, kunin natin yung tardiness. Copy lang natin itong formula na to. And actually, ito lang yung gagamitin natin na formula. Magbabago lang yung return array natin. So, yung deduction or yung tardiness is nasa column R. Equals. And then ito, papalitan natin ng R. Same with SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig. And magkakasunod naman yan dito. So, T to V. Sorry, S to U. So, yung XLOOKUP natin, ang gagawin natin, yung return natin is S to U. And kung napansin nyo, straight row siya, gagamit lang tayo ng transpose. And there you go. And of course, yung total deduction, ima-minus natin dun sa gross pay. And ayun yung magiging taxable income. Minus total deduction. Taxable income niya is 11,273. And then yung tax, ganun din. Look up lang natin. And if I'm not mistaken, after you, so V. Yep. So yung total net pay natin is yung taxable income minus tax. Validate natin 10,800, 10,800. Now, kapag binago natin yung employee number, magpapalit na rin yung details or mag-update na rin yung details. And since meron na tayong payslip, of course, ang gusto naman natin is i-print yung payslip natin or mag-download. Gumawa na ako ng dalawang button dito to download the payslip. Yung isa, download this payslip, yung current na payslip. And yung isa naman is to download all payslip na nandito sa directory. So, ang mangyayari, iisa-isahin yan ng macro, magpapalit-palit yung employee number, and then ida-download yung mga payslip isa-isa with just one button. Ito yung VBBA code natin, and I will create a separate video on how I was able to create this. So please watch out for that video. And ang mangyayari dito, kapag kinlik ko to, example for employee U10001, if I click this, yan, automatic nang mag-create ng PDF file for this employee. Open natin para mapakita ko sa inyo yung example. Yan. When I click this, kung napansin nyo, isa-isa niyang siniselect yung mga employee number. And then after nun, ida-download niya na yung payslip. And there you go. Check natin yung payslip folder natin, and there you go. And that's a wrap. I hope I was able to explain properly kung paano gumawa ng payslip from scratch, from step 1 to the last step. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and comment. Share nyo na rin para mas marami pang makaalam. And subscribe na rin kayo to receive more videos like this.